In this tutorial, we are going to walk you through the simple process of ordering transcripts from previous institutions through the National Student Clearinghouse to be sent to Southwestern College. The first thing you will do is visit the National Student Clearinghouse website. You can get there by simply typing in getmytranscript.com or tsorder.studentclearinghouse.org. You'll come to this screen and you'll type in the school for which you are requesting transcripts from and press continue. Here, you'll click Order Transcripts. Next, you'll fill out your personal information to include your name, social security number, and date of birth. It will also ask you if you are currently enrolled in the school you are requesting transcripts from and what years you attended that school. If you can't remember, it's okay. You can just enter a range of years in those fields where you know you would have attended. Click Continue once you are finished completing this page. Now you will enter your address, email address, and phone number. You can also choose to opt in to text messages to receive updates on the status of your transcript and whether to allow the school to use the information you are entering for their records. Once you've filled out this page, click Continue. Next, you will answer whether you attended the college you are requesting transcripts from before 1996, and click Continue. Now it will ask you where you are sending your transcripts to and to what country and state. It will load the schools that are in that area and you will type in what college you are sending them to. You will type in Southwestern College. For department, select the registrar's office and press Continue. On this page, it will ask you when you want them processed. You'll likely want them processed as is, which is the fastest option, and you'll need to specify what type of transcript you want. We recommend selecting the Complete All option. Next, you will select how you want them sent and how many copies you would like. You'll click that you have read and accept your school's terms and conditions and delivery method. On this page, it asks if you want to add another file. This is not needed for Southwestern College. You'll review the fee summary here and click Continue. If you would like to order transcripts for another recipient, including yourself, you can do that here by clicking Add Recipient. If you don't, you'll just skip over it and click Checkout. You'll come to the signature page and you'll use your mouse to sign your signature, as best you can, in the box. Then click Accept Signature and Continue. Now it's time to check out. Just fill out your credit card information in the fields and you're done. You can check your email inbox for transcript status updates. You'll need to repeat this process for each institution that you need to order transcripts from. The SC registrar must receive transcripts from every institution you have previously attended if you are an undergraduate student. For more how-to videos, check out our YouTube channel.